kind of way they happen, eh? Sometimes you don't want to use your real face, your real eye to look am. You go put Google for eye. So that is why I say today I want to put one. Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, but are you waiting for one subscriber? Hit the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people, another one don't happen again. Another one, it don't happen again, my people. You know, there are some story where you want talking. Today, I want to put Google for her because if you they see some kind of way they happen, sometimes you don't want to use your real face, your real eye to look am. You go put Google for eye. So that is why I say today I want to put Google for my eye. So those of you that want to know what to be Google now, shade. I will put that for eye today. So my people, one man for America, they met his wife, or because his wife no agree, make his mama come stay with them for house. This one are Igbo people that this thing happen to, you know. So some kind of story where person go hear sometimes say it go to shock talize person really, like seriously, like seriously. Okay, what you go make this man take law into his hands now? Eh? Okay, this man not just me in your wife, or because his wife no agree. I go play the record the more and see him. Or because his wife no agree, me and mama can't stay with them. Like seriously, really. I don't understand what you call the apple again for this world, my people, really. Okay, what you gonna make this man do this thing now? Eh? Okay, now they cry, they call police, say before police go come, saying go pay yourself. Because if they cry, they say, you see what you make her do now, they tell the wife like that. So he said because the woman say make you come up for the house, you know, go agree me stay the house again. So now the waiting they make and the verse now be that one. Say the woman not agree. The woman say the woman call police for her. Police cause make him come up for the house. So make him leave the house for the wife. Now that one like they make the man the verse now. He said that the money where they pay them, now only the woman not agree making before you do anything, you go first take permission from the woman first. So now those ones now they make invest. Like seriously? I know so what the woman do, you not they good. Yeah, how you go marry? You say you not go allow your mother-in-law come stay with you now. If you still come stay. You know me say you go come stay there. But I don't really know what really happen. Where be say you don't really agree. Then he never show the man go just say, he just shoots him. He shoots his wife. Like seriously. There are some men who now do una body really. Who now do una body. Now you are regret, you are crying now. So what will make you do one? What will go make you take law into your hands? Like seriously. Yeah? What will go make you even do this kind of reason at all? What will go make you reason now? Where be say you payment your own wife. My people. This one pass Jerome, this one pass me. I say, this one, I don't feel close mouth for this kind of thing. Make I quit talking, me on a year with you consider the Apple again. This one America now, this one for Apple. Eh? In the cry now, they say, you don't pay your wife. Eh? More than listening, my people. When they call police.
Okay, sir. I know you're very upset, but can you please tell me if there's anybody else hurt?
Okay. I told her the year.
Hello, sir?
Because this one I hold you. The man face no show. If they cry now.
Hello, sir. Is somebody else hurt? Or you hurt yourself?
What do you mean that my mother cannot come and live with me? Cannot come and live with us in Dallas? Eh? Who the hell are you?
Okay.
Eh? You are enough, so you are going to be. Eh?
Sir.
He said not go agree.
Are you there? Are you there?
So you can build house in your father's village. You can build house in your father's village.
Okay,
but I cannot send it in money. Eh? Me? As you be there, I should come and answer asking you for permission to spend my money.
Okay.
Eh? I'm also Kibu. Marine spirit Kibu. That's what you are.
Please.
You're a bitch. You are a bitch. Eh? You kicked me out of my own house.
Sir, please calm down. Sir, please calm down.
You want to be the man of the house?
Impossible.
They
use Igbo, they talk too.
Hello?
So most of them will be Igbo and go
Sir,
there.
are you there?
Which will make this man take law with you. Now you are crying.
Sir, are there any children in the house? Sir.
If they call police,
really
this is
like
the cry.
you.
You see, they try to police before they go come, he go pay me himself.
Look at me.
Eh?
Look at me. Look at my face. Look at my face. It is me that shot you. So you think you can mess me up and go for free? It is me that shot you.
Okay, sir. Can you please put the gun down? Can you please put the gun down, sir? Okay. I have emergency services on route to your destination.
You see, after he don't do all those ones now, he is now regretting. You see, they even see they threaten the woman. They say, "You think you can do this to me? You think you can do that? You can do this?" Like seriously, really? Eh? Okay, what you go make this man now? What you just reason as in think calm? Say you could just pay your wife just like that. I just pray whether you never able by yourself, pay yourself. Say because before they go come, he go pay himself. He not go feel wait for them. Now wait in the talk now. Say before police go come, he go pay himself. What you go make you want pay yourself now? This man. Una not get children, who go take care of the children. Why it be safe if we this old temper will not feel control him? Why? Why it be say if something just they happen, the way we be say some people think they react to it, they think they really tire me really. Eh? Okay, what you go make this man now make his wife because your wife no agree. Make your mama can't stay in her house. Because of that one, now you say you don't agree. There are so many things where in the talk. We don't be only that one. He said the woman they build us, you know, one let her know. Whether the money whether they pay there for there and the woman they collect her. These benefits matter. What do you go cost? Only who the Agba local government not go hear this one though. Even Olu, they go hear them too. They go hear them more. Because the Chimotala will go say, oh, the Agba local government must hear this. They go hear this one though. Because thank God say na Igbo na for stay happen. So you go nowhere build the Agba local government. Eh? Benefits. Now one man first take my wife for Germany. Because of benefits matter. Now that man take my wife that time. This one again now. You see my wife now for Igbo. Because why they talk this topic, be say, get one woman will just come out when they begin they run the mouth. They say Benin people, Benin because they want Benin guys say maybe one Agbo guy, I don't know. Benin people are bad. Benin people are this. You know, he say he never does say some Benin, say all the Benin. Okay, because Igbo do this one, I will call say all Igbo they bad now. No, we will call say all Igbo na they bad now. I don't know if it say all Igbo they bad. Some na they bad. The way it be for Benin, so it be for Ishan, that's it be for Igbo, that's it be for different places, so it be for Agbo. That man wait me that wife that time na Agbo man no. Wait me wife that time for Germany. Na Agbo man. We never talk say Agbo they bad though. We never talk say Agbo they bad though. But any small thing now where Benin go do they say na all Benin na they bad. Because of that woman where they run in mass anyhow they say if they work out they go for road. Now so they go the toast down. Now so Oyibo go the excuse them all because of her dough. Like seriously? Now person say you wear small thing they work out for road. Now person say you wear clothes where your breast go they show. If your body got the show, not be they go know whether you do husband house. They go want to talk to you. So I take aside Bini. I take aside Bini. I borrow they do Igbiagia. Now only Bini. What you be say you carry the matter at that time, this woman. I don't want to answer you that time, you know, because I just say you're not rich, really. You're not rich. Eh? Okay, see this Igbo man now. What he do now na good thing, my people. What did this Igbo man do now na good thing? It mean your own wife. Or because he not agree me can stay. Make your mama can stay the house. And make it be your wife. So my people, and the matter where they ground that be this one though. So what do you not think for what did this man do now? This man do the right thing, do the bad thing. What did this man do now? Good thing or not bad thing, my people? So if you disagree for what this man do, you can leave your comment for the comment section, my darling people. If what this Igbo man do na good thing, leave your comment for the comment section and share this video, may it go viral really. When we they control our temper, number one. And we women too, our own sit there our body. Not let your anger, or because say maybe the man calm down for you, you can just take that advantage, begin the one use the man anyhow. Okay, the man say want bring your wife, you they say no. Like serious, you say want bring your mama, you say no. How you not go agree make your mama come stay with you now? How you not go agree? Who does that? Who does that? Maybe he invites your mama come from Africa now. So man of you can stay in the house. Like seriously, but then it's as you don't love the man, what make you go marry the man? Well, you know, say nothing calm down, follow the man. Now you can be the man of the house. Where you say you don't go fit like calm down for your husband. So see what he can't lead to up now. Eh? May your soul rest in perfect peace anyway. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. And remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, but are you waiting for, go and subscribe and hit the notification bell and share this video for me. And always put thumbs up for my videos. Thank you. And I always do live video on Monday, so you can still follow me on my live videos. So thank you. Bye, everybody. Bye.